Here's how you can use shared albums on the iPhone. Let me guide you through the whole process, and if you're new here and first time on Foxtecc, definitely become part of the community by subscribing so you don't miss videos like this one. Well, of course, you can or you need to have the shared albums enabled to begin with. So inside of your settings, when you tap on your profile and at the top, and then go to iCloud, we can see the photos. And I don't personally have the syncing of the whole iPhone enabled, but the shared albums below most definitely need to be turned on this device as well as the other device which you want to share the albums to. Okay, but once you do have it, you can move to the photos. You just go to the collections and find albums. And in my case, I can see personal albums as well as shared albums. So when I tap on shared, I can click on the plus button and set up a new shared album. I can name it however I want, right? I can add the photos which I want to be there, but most importantly, the distinction is that I'm going to add participants. So I can add some people from my contacts which I want to share my videos and photos with, right, through the album. So I can look someone up, whatever it might be, and those people will have the ability to browse the albums. They are going to simply receive it in the activity. You will be able to see that somebody has invited you to use the album and get inside, right? So you'll be able to see it as a notification there. You can join, and that is how you can use shared albums on the iPhone and other devices. I hope it makes sense. I tried to be as quick as I could, so I hope I was able to assist you with it. Thanks a lot, and I will hopefully see you in the next videos too.